Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll explore how to compose functions from left to right using JavaScript. This is useful for building data transformation pipelines, where each function processes and passes data to the next. Let's dive in. This approach allows us to chain multiple functions together, making the code more readable and modular. This function composition allows us to create reusable pipelines that apply transformations in a structured way. This ensures that each function processes data in order, making transformations predictable and readable. This breakdown clarifies how each function processes and passes data to the next, ensuring consistent output. This function composition approach is widely used in data processing, UI management, and functional programming frameworks. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to chain functions together to transform data efficiently. Try implementing this in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next time.